I'm sure you guys know Ethereum is up 11% on the day already, and it is currently 5:30 Central Time. We saw a little bit of a pullback midday, and then we immediately shot back up again. We fell down to about 5%, and now we're back up to 11%. Currently sitting $2,100 on the price, and really this is just because of the BlackRock just filed for an ETF for Ethereum, not just Bitcoin now. So now we also got an Ethereum ETF on the way. And so that is obviously what has caused this insane bull run. And it did exactly as I predicted. You know, we got up to this $2,100 mark, and we saw a bit of a resistance. We're starting to see that resistance come in now. And we saw it earlier today here at this, what mark is this? Here at this $2,000 mark. Earlier today, we saw that, and it immediately broke through that after it started, started to correct, and then it said, nope, we're going to the moon, baby. And so, yeah, now we're sitting at $2,100. Now, I will let you guys know that this is all based off of news, right? So typically when that happens, unless there's a chain of events that continues to happen, typically you do see a little bit of a correction, as we did see middle of the day today. But honestly, that's not enough for me to sell. If anything, it's just going to pause my buying. I don't plan on selling any Ethereum anytime soon. If anything, I'm just going to buy less, or when it dips really hard, I'll buy even more. Certainly not selling anytime soon. But yeah, as you can see here, we are at this closing towards this resistance at 2150, or rather right around that as we are currently at. So yeah, not only do we have a Bitcoin ETF coming out, now we have an Ethereum ETF coming out that is getting filed for. So I would like for you guys to know that if the Bitcoin ETF is coming out, it is going to come out within a month and a half from now, or it won't come out at all. Supposedly, I got this information via Crypto Guy on Twitter, and I believe that is actually how that works. They have to file with the SEC, and then they have to approve it within the next couple of months, or just short of a couple of months. So yeah, we're just looking forward to that news coming up. And that's really all for this video today, guys. I mean, it's really that simple. We're absolutely killing it on the RSI. It is way overbought, and the MACD is looking